Artificial intelligence, or AI, is seamlessly integrated into our daily routines, often in ways we might not even recognize. Devices like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use AI powered by LLMs to understand and respond to voice commands, assist with tasks such as setting reminders, asking questions, controlling smart home devices within their respective ecosystems. And if you remember, these are what are referred to as weak AI. Platforms like Netflix, Spotify analyze your viewing or listening habits to recommend content you might enjoy. This personalization is powered by AI algorithms that learn from your preferences. Social media platforms use AI to curate your feed, showing posts and ads based on your interactions and preferences. This ensures you see content that's relevant to you. Apps like Google Maps use AI to analyze traffic data, suggesting the fastest routes and predicting traffic conditions to help you get to your destination. E-commerce websites use AI to recommend products based on your browsing and purchase history by suggesting items you might be interested in. Email services employ AI to filter out spam and categorize your emails, ensuring that important messages are prioritized and unwanted messages are held at bay. AI is deeply embedded in our daily lives, creating convenience, personalization. Understanding these applications can help us understand the technology that might be powering our everyday experiences. Till next time, tot ziens.